Hey, what's up guys, me Peter. I hope everybody doing okay. And today I will be vlogging tests on my Sony A7C with the kit lens, the 28 to 60 millimeter. We are recording in 1080p and 60 frames per second. It's a nice compact camera, easy to hold. Also, it's a full frame, so great for travel. Okay, now we are testing on the stabilize. I'm just holding camera with my hand without any gimbal or gorilla part. This camera got a 5-axis image stabilizer built in, but not with the lens. So we're gonna do a stabilize testing, and also I will not stabilize in the post either. So yep, it's a real life. Okay, walk around and see all the mango. Right here is mango season coming. We're gonna have a lot of mango. Hopefully I might get a gimbal one day, so I'm not sure yet. It is a good camera. The best thing about this camera is that it's got a super fast autofocus. We are going to test the autofocus right now. Let's see. It's a sunny day, so I'm not sure. I can't see the screen either. Actually, I can see my glasses just turned dark. Also, I'm recording without microphone. I'm using the built-in microphone in the camera, so you guys can just with just the noise, wind noise reduction, I think that's what I call turn on. And yep, here we go. It's a good camera. So this is just a short vlog on this camera, video test, what you guys call it. And at the end, I will put a short clip with the picture that I travel to a zoo in another city, about 2-3 hours from here. And I took a lot of picture and some slow motion, some video, and I will include that in the end of the video. So if you guys enjoy this short vlog, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be posting more in the future. So thanks again, and I will see you the next time. Peace.